Two hearts, one tree, intermediate B1. A long time ago, in a big green forest, a little hornbill bird was born. Her parents were very happy. They loved her and took good care of her. Her name was Ayla. When Ayla was small, her parents fed her sweet fruits and kept her safe. They also taught her important lessons about life. Her mother often said, "Love is not only about beauty, it is about trust and care." As Ayla grew up, she became a beautiful young bird. She liked to clean her feathers and make her beak shiny. She loved flying with her friends and watching the sunset from high trees. She enjoyed the fun of being young, but one day her parents spoke to her seriously. "My daughter," her father said, "soon you will choose a partner." Ayla felt nervous, but listened. Her mother said, "Choose a bird who is kind. See how he treats others. Does he share food? Does he stay calm when he is angry? A good partner protects his family." Her father added, "One day you will stay inside a tree to protect your eggs. You will depend on your partner for food. Choose someone responsible." Ayla remembered every word. One morning, Ayla saw a young male hornbill. He was not the most colorful bird, but he was kind. She saw him give fruit back to a smaller bird who dropped it. He did not fight for food, he shared. That caught her attention. One day he spoke to her. "May I fly with you?" She smiled. "You can try to follow me." He followed. They flew together over rivers and tall trees. He showed her secret fruit trees and always shared. Instead of showing off, he cared. His name was Ravi. Ravi was calm and polite. When something upset him, he stayed quiet and relaxed before speaking. He thought about the future and wanted a safe home. Ayla watched him carefully. Slowly, she trusted him. Their love grew slowly and strong. They chose each other as partners and found a big tree with a good hole for a nest. Ayla was not afraid. She trusted Ravi. When the eggs came, it was time. Ayla went inside the tree hole. Together, she and Ravi closed the entrance with mud and fruit, leaving only a small opening. Through this small space, Ravi gave her food. Now, Ayla could not leave. Her life and the babies' lives depended on him. At first, it felt peaceful. Ravi came every day with fruits. They talked and dreamed about their babies. But life in the forest is not always easy. Ravi now flew alone. He needed food for 3. He needed to stay safe from predators. Some days were good. Some days were very hard. Once, monkeys tried to steal his fruits. Another time, a big bird chased him. He escaped, but he was scared. The hardest part was feeling alone. He missed Ayla. One day, Ravi met an old toucan. The toucan looked at him and asked, "Family?" Ravi said yes. The toucan nodded. "Then you fly for more than yourself now. A father must be strong." The toucan showed him good fruit trees and said, "Being strong does not mean never being tired. It means continuing even when you are tired." Ravi felt stronger after that. Months passed. The babies grew. One day, Ayla broke the wall from inside. Ravi helped from outside. Light came in again. They saw each other after a long time. It was a happy moment. Their babies were small, loud, and alive. Now it was time to teach them how to fly and find food. Time passed again. The babies grew into young birds. They started going to sunset gatherings and meeting other birds. Ayla told them, "Choose a partner who stays, who cares, and who respects you." Ravi looked at her with love. They were not the most famous birds in the forest, but they stayed together. Because love is not only a feeling, love is choosing to care every day. Beauty can attract. Charm can be exciting. But character makes love last. True love is not the one who flies high with you. It is the one who brings you food when you cannot fly.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your favorite part.
You